In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bullets in Google Vids. Hey there, welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to add bullet points to your documents in Google Vids. Whether you're compiling a list, outlining a project, or just trying to organize information, using bullet points can greatly enhance the readability and structure of your document. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, navigate to Google Vids by heading to the Workspace section of Google. Google Vids is an awesome tool for creating and sharing video content within documents, making it a versatile platform for both personal and professional use. It's part of the Google Workspace, so if you're not already signed on, you'll want to do that. Speaking of signing in, once you're on the Google Vids page, you will need to click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. This step is fairly straightforward, but remember, it's essential to be signed into the correct Google account that has access to Google Vids. Once you click Sign In, you'll be presented with a list of available Google accounts. Choose the one that you want to use for this session. If you're using a shared computer, or if you have multiple Google accounts for different purposes, make sure you select the one associated with the documents you want to work on. With access to your account secured, it's time to dive into the heart of our guide. Find the document you'd like to add bullet points to and open it up. Highlight the text where you want bullets to appear. This could be a list of items, steps in a process, or any other content that you feel would benefit from a bulleted format. Next, we need to format the selected text. Look for the format option in the top menu of the document. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various formatting options. This is where Google Vids really shines, offering a plethora of customization choices to make your document look just the way you want it. Navigate through the format drop-down until you find the bullets and numbering option. This is your gateway to creating a cleaner, more organized document. Clicking on this opens further options specifically designed for list creation and management. Once you're in the bullets and numbering submenu, direct your attention to the bulleted list menu. This is where Google Vids offers you different styles for your bullet points. Whether you prefer the traditional round bullets, squares, arrows, or even playful emojis, this menu has you covered. Each option instantly applies a unique bullet style to your selected text, allowing you to personalize your document to your heart's content. Now take a moment to click on the bulleted list menu and explore the range of bulleting types available. When you find one that aligns with the tone and style of your document, select it. Your chosen bullet style will be immediately applied to the highlighted text, transforming your list into an organized, eye-catching segment of your document. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a little bit of navigation through Google Vids' intuitive interface, you've successfully added bullet points to your document. This simple addition can greatly enhance the readability and aesthetic appeal of your work, making it more accessible to your audience. Before we wrap up, a couple of tips to keep in mind. Bullet points are great for breaking down complex information into digestible chunks, but remember to keep your lists concise. Also, try to maintain a consistent style throughout your document to ensure a smooth and pleasant reading experience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to add bullet points in Google Vids. Whether you're organizing your thoughts, presenting data, or outlining a story, bullet points are a fantastic tool to have in your writing toolbox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy documenting,